Some people think I just eat hamburgers all day long, which is sort of true, but I do like other food. I'm gonna show you things you can do with ground beef that's not a burger. Just in time for Thanksgiving, how about this recipe? Cheeseburger stuffing. You heard that right. Cheeseburger stuffing! If you think about stuffing, what is it really but a deconstructed burger, right? It's got bits of bread, it's got bits of meat, onions, butter. For this stuffing, I'm using hamburger buns instead of bread. I'm using ground beef instead of sausage. And I'm using cheese because, well, cheese is awesome. So why is it called stuffing? As far as we know, stuffing goes all the way back to the Roman Empire. It was common practice when cooking an animal to stuff the empty cavity with another smaller animal or with vegetables or nuts and stuff, whatever was around. The tradition of stuffing a turkey with breading and herbs continues today, but I'm constantly asked the question, to stuff or not to stuff? Is it safe? Well, stuffing a turkey can be dangerous. It's because you have to cook a bird to 165 degrees internal, which means you probably have to overcook the bird to get the stuffing to cook the right temperature. If you undercook the stuffing, you're gonna end up with potentially harmful bacteria in the stuffing, but why even take that chance, really? Cook the stuffing separately and then stuff the bird. Cheeseburger stuffing! Start with high quality fresh ground beef and you will never fail. Look, it's my friends from Schweid Sons, woohoo! Basically croutons made out of Motz potato rolls, woohoo! Yes, of course, only the best. I cubed these and then put them in the oven for about 20-25 minutes at 300 degrees. You don't want to toast them, you just want to dry them out a little bit. A stick of butter, beef broth, diced onion and celery, fresh garlic, eggs, some cheddar cheese for the top, and most importantly, we're gonna go full Simon and Garfunkel on you right here. Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. That's right. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Simon and Garfunkel, they were singing about stuffing all this time. Did you know that? It's true. My recipe, you can't read this. I can't read this. It's very important to have a recipe that you can read. First things first, saute the beef. You want to chop and cook the beef in a pan and then drain the fat and set it aside. In the same pan, melt the butter. 1 stick of butter. I know it seems excessive, doesn't it? It's worth it, trust me, I know what I'm doing. Into the butter goes our chopped celery and onions. And we're gonna saute this just until it's translucent, about 5 minutes. Now, you wanna add your Simon and Garfunkel, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Once I have all my herbs incorporated, it's time to scramble 2 eggs. This egg is going right over our bits of Martin's hamburger buns. Now your beef broth is going into the onion mixture. Here comes the fun part. We're gonna start putting things together. This all has to happen pretty quickly. This is the broth and the onion mixture. We're on top of that, just like that, right? There's the beef. Oh, it smells so good. Wow, it smells good. And this goes right into your greased casserole dish. We're gonna have to grate a little bit of cheese on top of this. Not much. Don't make it cheesy. You just wanna put just a little bit of extra sharp cheddar on top. And guess where this is going? Into the preheated oven, 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Should we check it? Yeah, let's check it. Let's do this. Oh, wow, that looks good. Oh, wow. That basically smells like the greatest Thanksgiving stuffing ever. People say to me all the time, I can't cook, I can't do this. Yes, you can. You can do this. You got this. Be a Thanksgiving hero and make this stuffing. Oh. Wow. It's like a Thanksgiving cheeseburger in a pan. It's so good, you really should make this any time of the year. Don't wait for Thanksgiving, people. Oh, crispy bits, cheesy bits, onion. You know what it needs? It needs gravy, it needs turkey, it needs string beans, it needs canned cranberry. Look for the recipe on schweidsons.com or on my website, georgemotz.com. Happy Thanksgiving.